Welcome to this tutorial on how to find posts and comments you're tagged in by date on Facebook using your PC. This is especially useful if you want to manage your online presence or simply revisit memories from specific times. To start, open facebook.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook stores a record of all your activities, including posts and comments you've been tagged in. Under the Your Facebook Activities section, click on Activity you're tagged in. This will show you all the posts and comments where you've been mentioned or tagged by others. Now, to filter these by date, click on Posts and Comments you're tagged in. This will give you a list of all the relevant content. At the top of the page, you'll see a date option. Click on it to open a calendar where you can choose the specific period you're interested in. Select the start and end dates, and then click Save Changes. This will update your view to show only the posts and comments you were tagged in during that time frame. By following these steps, you can easily find and manage posts and comments you're tagged in by date on Facebook. This feature is particularly useful for reviewing your past interactions or ensuring that your profile reflects your current preferences. Whether you're looking to tidy up your online presence or reminisce about past events, Facebook's tagging feature makes it easy to do so.